In the book Grit, Angela Duckworth explores how passion and perseverance drive success. In this video, we present 7 key insights from the book. A core takeaway from Grit is that persistence often outweighs raw talent in achieving success. According to Duckworth's research, those with strong determination and passion tend to surpass individuals relying solely on innate ability. This highlights the value of hard work, commitment, and resilience. Passion is essential for cultivating grit. Duckworth describes passion as a lasting and deep-seated interest in your pursuits. It's not just about short-term excitement, but maintaining a sustained focus on long-term goals. Passion drives perseverance, helping you push through obstacles while staying aligned with your objectives. Perseverance is the capacity to continue striving toward your goals, despite setbacks. Duckworth emphasizes that challenges are a natural part of any journey, and what distinguishes gritty people is their ability to persist, learn from failures, and keep progressing until they reach success. The concept of a growth mindset, introduced by Carol Dweck, plays a crucial role in fostering grit. Duckworth stresses that believing in your ability to improve through effort and learning is essential. This mindset encourages viewing difficulties as opportunities for growth, rather than insurmountable barriers. Another critical lesson from Grit is the importance of deliberate practice, purposeful, focused practice aimed at enhancing specific skills. Duckworth explains that this requires focus, sustained effort, and a willingness to go beyond your comfort zone. It's not about logging hours, but maximizing those hours by working on areas that need improvement. Connecting your work to a larger purpose amplifies grit. Duckworth suggests that individuals who link their efforts to a broader mission or cause tend to be more persistent. This purpose could be anything that brings meaning to your actions, whether it's contributing to society, supporting others, or making a positive impact in your community. Failure is inevitable on the path to big goals. Duckworth teaches that gritty people see failure not as a threat, but as a valuable opportunity to learn. Every setback provides lessons and insights that can help you adjust and move closer to your goals. The key is to reflect, make improvements, and keep pushing forward. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments which book you'd like us to review next.